So we've got this game called EXA Punks. It's by Zachtronics. I haven't played it before, so we will see how this goes. So it looks like we've got two things that we can click here. Let's see what this one does.
Hey, can you hear me? I heard you were looking for... Looks like you definitely need it. So, I do have a source. I know where to get it. It's cheaper than the real deal, but... The going rate is $700 a dose. You need to take one dose every day. Yeah, that's dollars. Sorry. I don't set the prices. I'm just a courier. It's not like any of that money goes to me. Anyway, if you do get the money, give me a call.
Alright, so it looks like I met with Nivas. Hello, kinda dead here. Z, you connected to EXA Punks. Workhouse, perform simple tasks to earn money at home. Alright, let's see what this does. Looks like I need 700 bucks to... Alright, so I'm just entering in. Transcribing the receipt. Let's see what happens when we get through this. Tort. Got an $80 filet mignon, huh? Special order. 200.
Wow, a whole 10 cents. Congratulations. You only need to do 6,999 more of these, and you'll have enough for today. Don't worry about that right now. You need that medication to stay alive, right? Well, guess what? I can get it to you. You'll need to start hacking again, though. One hack, one dose. Easy. Deal?
Interesting. So it looks like I'm supposed to be a
You're about to
hacker.
remember. Knock, knock.
Alright. So we've got... Need one around? Yo, hey. So now I gotta go meet with Gast. Someone's at the door.
Hey, came by to give you something. I can't hack like I used to. Whatever edge I had, it's gone now. But I had to keep doing something. Something to keep the culture alive, you know? Computers are running everything these days. Before long, human beings aren't even gonna have a say. So now I equip people with knowledge. The knowledge to make a computer do what... Anyway, I won't keep you. I know you like to be alone. Hope you like what you see in the zine.
Interesting, he gave me a magazine. Use print zines for technical reference. There are 2 issues unlocked. Interesting. so off on the side here, I've got some sort of PDF. I'm not exactly sure what to do with it yet, but interesting. So it looks like, let's see if I can pull this up. Alright, so I've got this PDF. So I have this PDF. It's just chilling. We'll see what we do with this. It looks like it's getting started guide, distributed networks with EXAs, guest walkthrough, hacker skills. EXA is a short for execution agent. It's a small program that can move from one computer to another. Interesting. Alright. Looks like we have to use this as a reference of some sort. Alright, this is the first tutorial. There's some kind of tutorial in this zine. Here we go. Alright, so I'm not sure who this guy is, but so we need to move the specified file, the ID 200, from the inbox to the outbox. And you're gonna move it with the link ID 800. Interesting. So it looks like, based on this tutorial, on the left side of the screen, there's an EXA with then you've got all of this stuff. Interesting. Alright, so once we type these lines first. 200. Grab 100. 800. Drop. And then halt. Press the step button. Oh, that's not the step button. Let's see what that's to minimize it. How do I step through it? Oh, okay. So this is the step button here, or you can use tab. This is the run, so F4. So if I hit tab. So link 200. Link ID not found, huh? If I hit escape, it restarts. It said, oh, it wanted link 800. Alright. So now if I go through and I link 800, what does that do? Oh, so this is the EXA. So when I link 800, walked over here, then I grab 200, then I link 800 again, drop it, and then I halt the program. Nice. Cool. Looks like I got oh, you gotta run it 100 times. I see. Curious how this guy is, like Ember 2 emulated multi-branch emotional reasoning. Expect you to be sitting on all kinds of secrets. It's alright though. We will find plenty more. So let's try the second one. Learn to edit files and manipulate values. Alright, add the first two values. So I assume this starts again with the link 800. So you want to add the first two values of file 200, multiply the result by the third value, then subtract, append the result to the end file, and move it to the out box. So the tutorial says you want to link 800, then grab 200, then copy F to X. You wanna edit it? And with this, I'm just following the tutorial that's on that PDF. So this one's supposed to traverse link 800 to enter the network. Then you want to grab file 200. Then you want to read from F and write it to X. Then you take X and you add F. And then you write it to X again. Then you take X, you multiply F, you add it to X. Then you go X, subtract F, X, and then you take X and write it to F. Then you traverse the link again. So you go to the outbox, then you drop the file, then you stop. Let's see if this works. So I grab 200. I'm going to add X to F. Oh, I see. So here's your registers, X, T, and F. So you go on at 72 and you want to add 52, which is 124. You don't want to multiply it by 4. And then I want to subtract 60. And then I'm going to copy it to F. You're going to link it. And you're going to drop it. And then you stop the program. Nice. Man, what is this? Sure. Let's say it sounds like that. I really need the medication to survive, so let's just roll with that. This guy asks a lot of questions for someone who's just trying to hold medication hostage. Alright. So I bet file 199 contains 2 values, a keyword and a number. Create a new file in the outbox and copy these 2 values to it, swapping their order. The numbers first. When you finish, delete the file. Interesting. Alright, so I obviously need to link 800 first to traverse the thing. Then I probably need to link 199 to go, 799. Then I want to grab 199. You can create a new file with the make instruction. The file it creates will be empty by default and will automatically be held. You can delete a file it's holding with the wipe. 2 X's can communicate with each other using the M register. If one EXA writes a value, another EXA reads it from the M. Interesting. So if I grab the 199 and then make a new file and let's call it 200. Let's see what happens. Ah! Alright, let's see what happens as I step through this here. Oh, I can't. Does it need a halt instruction? So does it... So it linked to 800 and 799 and then you want to grab... Okay. Maybe I want to make... Maybe I want to make a file first. Maybe that's what I want to do. So I want to traverse and then I want to make a file. So if I make a file and then I grab 189, what happens? Interesting. I can't grab it, but I can. So I can drop the file. And then I can copy. So I want to grab the first letter. So I want to copy F to X. And I want to copy T. See what happens then. So then I go over there. Then I traverse the 799 link. I make a file. I drop it. I copy. And then I copy f of x into t. And then I'm out of instructions. Okay. So then I wanna. Can I. When I make the file, F is the file name. So what I want to do is before I drop it, I want to copy F to M. So I keep the file name. Oh, I can't read the end of the file. I can grab a register, I can grab a number. Interesting. Ooh, okay. So in the guide, there's a file M. So that's supposed to store the file. There we go. So then I drop it. Huh. I drop and then I say file. And what happens? So it crosses over the link, then it goes to 799, then I make a file, then I drop it, and then I save 0. Interesting. Oh, interesting. I can do multiple at the same time. So actually, this one. So this one also goes to link 800. But then it goes to link 800. And then when it grabs a file, this guy makes a file. And if I copy F to M, and I copy M, how do I write to a file? Hmm. Do I just copy? Alright, I'll try copy M to F. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna do that action twice. And then this guy's gonna wipe. And then you wanna halt. Right? Oh, actually. I wanna actually drop my file and then I'll halt. So. One traverses, the other traverses. Copy again, and you're gonna drop it, and then you're gonna halt. Does that work? Oh, I need to flip the... I need to flip the order. Huh. This one's gonna copy F from M. This one goes on M, then T into M. Is there like a wait instruction? Ooh. Duh. It's a no-op instruction. Alright, so it starts by doing nothing. I move first, then this guy moves. This guy picks up. Then he makes the file. So you want to copy that over. Then you want to copy that over. Then you want to wipe and halt. Just want to know what he's after, you know? Alright, looks like there's one last tutorial. Let's see what we got. So, this last tutorial is loops and conditionals. So, file 200 contains exactly one number. Create a file in the outbox and enter 0. Interesting. Alright, so first I want to link 800, then I want to grab 200. And then I want to start by copying file into X. You can compare registers or values, like if X equals. So if I mark, can I make that a loop? And I copy. Oh, I need to make a new file. Alright, so maybe I want to like I grabbed 200, I copied why don't I just wipe the file? Then I link 800 again. And I make, and then I go for a loop. So I loop and then I take actually let's copy it into T so that I can use X. I want to copy X to F. You want to get subby. Look. Subby is subtraction. So I want to subtract. I want to take X, I want to subtract 1, and I want to write that to X. And I want to test the X is equal to 0. And if X is equal to 0, oh shit. It's gonna store the result in T. So maybe what I want to do is I want to put this into M. Then I wipe the file. So then when I go through the loop and I see if X is equal to 0, then I can jump back to loop. Okay, let's give that a shot. It's not all the way done, but so first I go here, then I grab the file, then I copy the file, and it's 9. Great. So then I wipe it. Why can't I? Huh. What is the issue here? Why can't I wipe the file? try this. So I go here, I grab that, I log it, and then oh, interesting. Okay, so I can't use M. If I do this and I link. Interesting. So if I here and I copy to X, and then I wipe. And I make, and then I get 100 again. So I go and grab the file, and I copy F to X, then I wipe it. I make a new file. Give it 0. So, oh. Let's try that. Okay, and then if I do this, interesting. So there's some people who have solutions over here. Alright, I think that's enough for today. Huh, that was an interesting game.